Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix privacy settings on X. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your X app or Twitter app, and here once you're inside your homepage, simply tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. And once you're inside your profile icon, here last option you'll have an option that says settings and support. Under it, tap on settings and privacy, and once you are inside your settings, scroll down and here you'll have an option that says privacy and safety. Now simply tap on that, and here depending upon what changes you want to make to your privacy and safety settings, select the option corresponding to it, like it may be audience and tagging. Toggle on these two options, that is protect your post and protect your video as well. And now go back, and here on your post, mark media you post as containing material that may be sensitive. You can just toggle this on and go to the options that you want and just set it as per your life. And that's basically how you can change your privacy and safety settings on X. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.